Welcome to Dawn of Cooking and a day of easy, healthy meals. My hope for you is to cook with confidence at home with simple whole food ingredients so that you can feed your family food that tastes good and supports long-term health. Now, before we get started on breakfast, I actually had let my sourdough ferment in the refrigerator overnight, so I'm just getting it ready to put it in the oven. And I'll put the recipe in the description box. I'm no expert at sourdough, but we do enjoy it, and it actually turns out really great. Part of our day is making a healthy breakfast for the grandchildren, and they love it. This smoothie is a great one that you can incorporate into your meal plan this week and make it a few times a week. You can pack in lots of fruits and vegetables and it has a great protein powder. I know you're going to enjoy it, so go ahead and make it really soon. Have you guys ever tried matcha? Lately, I have been enjoying it in the afternoon. It doesn't make you jittery and it is full of antioxidants, so it's a little bit better for you. I enjoy it with my homemade lavender syrup, and then I froth up some of my West soy milk. It doesn't have any additives, so I really enjoy that in the afternoon. So let me know if you guys want to try it. The last meal I have for you today out of these easy meals is my crispy black bean tacos. Absolutely delicious, and you have to make the cilantro lime sauce. It goes together really quickly, and so does the filling for the beans. This is definitely a recipe to try, and I know you're going to enjoy it. We had a house full of family all eating it, and they gobbled it up. Thanks so much for coming along with me in this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking.